good thing about life, we're gonna die, right? Eventually we're gonna die. But our legacy can live on. The impact can be non-perishable, forever. But it's gotta be built right. And we gotta take advantage of the time we have right now.
What are you waiting for? You got one life to live. Today begins. Tomorrow continues. And it never ends. Till you reach your goal and cross the finish line. With your hand held victorious.
You go after things. You try them. Even if you fail, you get back up. And you continue to try and fail. Continue to try and fail. And ensuring you never fail to try. Failure is part of the recipe for success. It's the losers that fail once and quit. Every winner has done failed. The loser and the winner both fail. It's just that the winner gets back up and does it again. Making your dreams a reality, rep by rep. Stop running from the potential of what you can be, guys. It's inside of you. It's always been there. You must believe in yourself enough to be the person now of what others will remember you for later. If you guys mentally believe you can do it, your body will find a way physically to make it happen. We're putting the work in now so we never wonder what it. Not run by the clock. Run by our desire where we want to go tomorrow.
It's not for everybody. It might not be for you. You're still watching, maybe it's for you. Here we go.
Your name's attached to it. It's gotta mean more than anything. Believe in yourself.